TeraWolf investors are really like a vicious pack of wolves, fierce and patient. A stance that's seemingly paying off because the market is still relatively positive, after it secured and finalized project-level financing for a 168-megawatt high-performance computing joint venture with FluidStack at its Abernathy, Texas campus late last year. The financing, which includes long-term credit enhancement through FluidStack's platform, backed by a global hyperscale partner, supports development of a next-generation liquid-cooled AI data center with up to 240 megawatts of gross power capacity and 168 megawatts of critical IT load. The facility is scheduled to be commissioned in the second half of 2026. Proceeds from the financing will fund construction, required reserves, and completion of the project. The joint venture retains the ability to expand beyond the initial phase by leveraging existing transmission access, land, and development infrastructure, reinforcing TeraWolf's strategy to scale efficiently as demand for AI and HPC capacity grows. The company expects to deploy an additional 250 to 500 megawatts of HPC capacity annually and has already secured more than 500 megawatts to date, with significant pipeline capacity still available. CEO Paul Prager said the financing validates TeraWolf's scalable platform, designed early to adapt to evolving AI market demands. FluidStack CEO Gary Wu noted that the partnership strengthens their shared ambition to deliver repeatable, next-generation AI infrastructure. Now, if you're part of the TeraWolf pack and love the growth of the expanding power pipeline, or you want to help informative videos like this come out faster, please share this video on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Also, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.